Have you ever made money on the movement of Tesla shares in just a couple of minutes? I am Kamal and I am today here to show you how to make fast money on binary options while the market is dragging on the news about Tesla. The secret is in the right entry point and I will teach you how to find it. Watch the video till the end to repeat the strategy and make your profit. Please like and make a comment if you want to make more these strategies. And don't forget to fly into my Telegram channel. There are fresh signals and schemes for making good money in trading every day. The link is given in the descriptions. It's time to make money, not just talk. We are switching to the Xanova platform and let's get started. Here we are on the platform. Let's start setting up the right away. First, you need to put the candles in the chart types and then the candle time period is 1 minute. Now let's move on to these indicators themselves. You need to enable DPO. You can see the settings on the screen given. Time frame is 30 minutes. I will be trading on the Tesla OTS today. It has a profit margin of 87% and we are betting the transaction amount is $1,000. The transaction time is 30 seconds. And now let's start our trading session. On the chart, we can confidently say the downward trend of the Tesla. The indicator shows oversold condition, but the price is still going down without any pullbacks. I'm opening a $1,000 short trade with a duration of 30 seconds, just following the trend. Great! The first transaction is completed successfully and Tesla brings me a profit of $1,870 in plus. So moving on to the next entry point. I'm opening a deal to raise by $1,870 because I saw a classic situation in this chart. The price went into a steady downward trend for several minutes, but before that there was a good support level. The market tested this level several times but did not break through it. Plus, the DPO indicator shows that the price is already in the oversold zone. Plus $3,496 profit in my balance. Big numbers, right? And I see them every day thanks to my strategies. I have already made a profit on these strategies. Now it's your turn. In my Telegram channel, I share signals and deal that gives us good reviews for free, which help me to earn good money every day. Follow the link in the description and start earning with me. We return to the schedule again and I open the last deal for an increase of $2,500 since the support level has been breached several times but has not consolidated below. This is a classic reversible signal. Plus, the indicator shows an oversold zone, which means the price is ready to go up. Nice friends, the last transaction brings us $4,675 to my balance. Trust me guys, and you can do the same. It only remains to try. Tesla showed its volatility and I just took my profit. The market gives you the opportunity to make good money every day, but the most of them are just watching from the sidelines. If you are watching this video, it means you are already one step closer to the profit. I share my work signal strategies and deal reviews in my Telegram channel every day. So join my team, not to just watch how others win, but to start making money with me literally. The link is already in the description, so don't waste your time while the access is open.